Hi everyone, Mrs. Geisler here again, and we're going to be using quotations to bolster an argument, which basically means you're going to make your quotations more powerful. All right. So, as fifth graders, as writers, you should be able to add facts, examples, quotations, micro stories, and information to support your claim. All right, so today we're going to talk a little bit more about what quotations are. All right, so when we have quotations, we are lifting lines right from our articles or our videos. Okay, we want exact words from our experts. All right, so some questions you might want to ask yourself about your quotations could be like, does the reader really need to know this information? Or what's your paragraph really about? Does this quotation go with your paragraph? Or can you find like key sentences in what you wrote down or in your videos to support your claim? And then are you introducing the source? All right. Are you saying who this person, who is your source? Who is this person? What is their name? So I've got an example for you here. All right. And it says, I firmly believe that low fat chocolate milk should be served in schools because it is nutrition in disguise. According to nutritionist Melissa Dobbins, the fact is that chocolate milk and other flavored milks have the same 9 essential nutrients as white milk and a small amount of added sugar compared to other beverages. So I'm going to stop here for a minute and I just want to kind of put a pen underneath this so you can see. So we've got one quotation here, okay? That it's just taking it right from the from what they said, but I didn't define it who it was. But then what I have here next is, and this is really important here, because what we want to do is we want to state according to, and we have her name. All right, so that's we are recognizing that this is the person, this is the expert. Okay, this is showing that if I'm trying to convince Mr. Massey that he should have chocolate milk in here, I've got to have facts. I have to have information from the real people. All right, and so then what I love here that you have to also remember is that this is how we put quotations. We have the quotation around it here, okay? And then this whole, I'm kind of I get to copy this all down exactly word for word from that article. Okay, so that's word for word. And I have quotes around it. And I put quotes around it because that represents that I took it from there, but I also gave her credit. Okay. And I have that according to nutritionist Melissa Dobbins. So I have proof that I have this information here. All right. And we may then continue and read on to see what happens here. Because then I want to talk a little bit about more. Well, why did I don't want to just stick that quote in there. I need to explain how this goes with my paragraph. So I said, so even though some people say that chocolate milk is sugary goodness that's bad for you, chocolate milk is healthy with its 9 essential nutrients, same amount of nutrients as white milk, but just with a little added sugar, 3 grams of sugar to be exact. And actually, I just noticed here too that I also have a little bit of a counterclaim in here where it talks about how, so even though some people say that chocolate milk is sugary goodness that's bad for you, so I have a little bit of a counterclaim as well. So again, what this is doing is this is helping make my writing stronger. All right. And so if you're stuck and you're like, I don't know what to write there, with my quote, here's something that you can help you. And these are some phrases that can set your quotations up. All right. So you've seen the according one, according to the text. You might have in the article or research shows. So all these things are really, really great. So you want to try to get a quote in from an expert. Use this to help you if you're totally lost on how to do this. But I know that you guys can do it. Okay, it's really a lot of fun, and you're going to be great writers. You already are great writers. So thanks, and talk to you soon.